And this recording link I'll share you in like WhatsApp itself, because I don't know, they haven't provided any Google like Classroom link for this.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
share you on WhatsApp. I have
Okay,
to upload last week also, sorry, last class also, and today also.
Okay, sir. Or we could create a Google Classroom.
No, that sir will do. Manoj sir will do, and he will add me there. Then I can upload for all, like, because if I sub and you have to go, because you have to go for separate classes for that, right? For maths you have to come to my Google Classroom. Then for chemistry you have to go for another, for maths for another. Instead, he will create one for everyone. They will upload there.
Okay, sir.
In one place. Till then, we'll just share. I'll share the link.
Okay, sir. Can you explain this question, sir?
Okay. Now this one, it says like velocity time equation of particle moving with the straight line. That is, equation is given v equals to 10 plus 2t plus 3t square. Okay. Now what is actually this velocity formula? V equals to ds by dt. This means differentiation of s with respect to time. Differentiation
Yes,
of
sir.
s with respect to time. But now we need to find out displacement, right? From here to here, actually, we can find with displacement. If displacement is given, we can find velocity. Generally. Now, how will find displacement if velocity is given? That means ds equals to v dt. I need to increase. That means integration.
Yes, sir.
Integrate this one. So if you integrate s, it will become displacement, and integration of this equation. What is the equation here? I'm sorry. 10 plus 2t plus 3t square integrating with respect to dt. Okay. And limits they gave 1. Starting from 0, so the limit is in statement. Origin of time.
Yes, sir.
0 to t. T. Now let's start integration here. I'll start here. So first, simple equation, simple formula for integration. Integration of ds, what I did here, or let's take not ds, general formula will take, standard formula, x to power n, whatever it is, n be 0. See, if anything power 0 means, if x to power 0 means, what's the value?
1.
1. And if x to power 1 means x. X to power 2 means x square. X to power 3 means x cube. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is generally, we know that. Now,
So
dx.
x power n plus 1 by n plus 1.
Exactly. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So you learn this formula, right? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That means you are interested really. So that's why you learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So this is what formula, general formula. Now do it for this first one, first term, 10. With 10, is there any variable?
No, sir.
And remember one thing, we are integrating with respect to t. That's why we have dt there. You see the t?
Yes. Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that means it is 10 dt, also 2t dt, as well as 3t square dt. We are integrating here and we are adding. That's what it means.
Okay.
So do the first one. Come on, come on. It's okay, right or wrong, but you tell me answer.
Is it 10 plus constant?
Nahi, nahi.
10t?
Yes. 10. Limit is 0 to t. 0 to t. 0 to t. 0 to t. Plus
T power 2 t square. T, t square into t, so t cube.
2. Plus 3 t cube by 3.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Good.
So for the first one, we integrated and got 10t, right, sir?
Yeah.
Why didn't we get for second and third one, sir?
Because t is already there, so it will increase. It will become, see here, t to the power 1 we already have. That means t to power 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. It will become t square by 2.
Okay.
Here t to power 0. T to power 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So it is t to power 1. That's why we got t to power 1 here, t to power 2 here. 1 by 1 means 1 by 1 is 1 only.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Now in question, there is something different now. This is integration. You understood this integration?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So limits are 0 to 1. So let's do it. Do it, chalo. 10 into, so okay, yeah, you don't know limit substitution. Huh? Sorry, I forgot. So 10 t is here what? Where is it?
1.
1.
So for
It's 0 to 1. Upper
first
limit,
substitute the maximum value, then subtracting the lower.
don't remember that way. Upper limit is this one here. B,
Yes, sir.
A. So B is the upper limit when we substitute B minus A. So t to
Yes.
power 1, that is 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0. It is same, plus 1 minus 0. So it will be 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. Shall I do this question again?
So for the second and third terms, it should be 1 minus 0 square, 1 minus 0 cube, sir.
1 square minus 0 square.
Okay, yeah, I've got it.
So 1 square minus 0 square, because we are substituting in place of t. We are substituting this value in place of this t.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Clear, or shall I do it again, this question?
I got it, sir. I got it.
Okay. Fine.
So for the first one, displacement is 12.
Yes. But now in this question, there is something extension. See, if it is given that displacement at time t equals to 0 is 20 meters. That means this, whatever we did, it is s at 0. We need to add this one. Why I'm writing here instead of this one? I can directly write here. Plus 20.
I didn't
Because
get this part, sir.
see, if the displacement given that is 20 meters at t equals 0, we started this one as t equals to 1. So at here also, suppose limits are 0 to 20, something displacement 0 to 20 s. Okay, let me do this one properly again. If you understand this equation, means you can do any numerical. It's very easy actually. Just everything is included in this one. Now let's go for left side. Left side, what will be the limit? I just directly wrote s, but what will be the limit? At 0, it is 20. Right side, we got limit as 0 to t. T is 1. So let's write here 1 itself.
Yes, sir.
And this left side, 0 is displacement at 0 is
20.
20. So displacement s.
Yes.
So here, displacement will be s. Limits are s and 20. Here, what was that? 10t plus 2t square by 2 plus 3t square by 3. This all limits are 1 and 0 here. We say 0 to 1. So here s, instead of s, we are writing s. Instead of s, we are subtracting 20. Same way, 10, 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0. So s equals to 10, 12 plus 20, which is 32 meters. That is your displacement. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what do you think about next part? They're asking
Acceleration time equation.
Yeah, this was velocity time equation. Now I want to make acceleration time equation. Okay, I'll give you a hint. You try it. See, if we want to find velocity, what we'll do?
The displacement by time.
Okay, now you should tell me in terms of differentiation.
ds by dt.
Yes, ds by dt. Now, if I want to find displacement, we will just normally calculate, or equation will be given, we will solve it. Right?
Yes.
Now, think of velocity. What is velocity? Sorry, acceleration. Think of acceleration. What is acceleration?
dv by dt.
Yes, dv by dt. Now I want to find dv. How we will find dv? Because v is given, so find dv. Try this one.
Differentiating the v equation.
Which equation?
v is equal to 10 plus 2t plus 3t square.
Exactly. Solve karo. Can you try this differentiation or shall I do it?
I'll try one, sir.
Okay, but the exam which you are giving, in that these things will come. That's what I'm thinking. Like, will this, whatever we are studying, will it be helpful, or it will be helpful for that 11th standard? That is for sure.
Yes, sir.
And even for JEE exam also. But what exam you're preparing, is it helpful or not? I don't know that.
The exam pattern is still unknown, sir.
Okay. Once it's known, just first intimate me this one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, and it will be level till 10th standard, or it will be like anything?
10th standard and a little higher, sir.
Okay, just tell me what is the name of it. I'll just check syllabus then. Till then, you solve it. Till then, I'll check syllabus.
Actually, it's Madhapur test for FITSE students.
Say that again.
Madhapur test.
Madhapur test.
So I got it as 60 plus 2, sir.
1 second. Madhapur FITSE test.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for joining school.
It's like another branch for FITSE, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, is the differentiation 60 plus 2?
Okay, 60 plus 2. 60. Okay, yeah. I thought like 60. Okay, 60. Yeah, that should, because 3 into 2 is 6. 6t plus, yeah, it will become 2.
So 10 will be 0.
Exactly.
Differentiation of constant is
0. But here integration of constant is not 0. It is added. Differentiation
yes.
decreased. So a equals to dv by dt, which is 10 d by dt of 10 plus 2t plus 3t square, 0 plus 2 plus 6t, which is 60 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
So is this the answer, sir?
Exactly. That's it.
Acceleration and time
Yeah.
equation.
Now, in this question, if they extend, for second part I'm saying, if they extend for time t equals to something, blah, 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 then we will just substitute value in equation of a, not in previous equation, because this values has changed. It is now 60
Yes.
plus 2. It is decreased. So remember just one thing, that is in acceleration, sorry, in differentiation, values decrease.
Integration increase.
Exactly. Integrate. And integration means itself like adding.
Combining of difference into small.
Exactly. Fine. So will you try one more question if I give you?
Yes, sir. And which level of question is this, sir?
You just try it. Let's see. Whatever level it is.
This question, I mean, the one which we solved.
It's easy only.
Yes, sir.
Easy level. I don't levelize any question. Okay. Good question. That's it. If we have everything in this one, it's good question. It's what my thinking. And if we have to scratch our brain to get answer, no, then it is like, okay, yeah, that's actually good question. Okay, question. I think so. Fifth question only, right?
Yes.
If the displacement is dependent on time, such that x, I guess you'll be able to solve this. It's very easy. -2. Okay, then find out average speed up to 4 seconds. Try out this.
Yes, sir.
Total distance by total time. What you'll do, integration, differentiation, or just substituting values? Shall I give you a hint?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, start with time equals to 0. If I substitute t equals to 0, so what the value we are going to get for x?
-2, and if we substitute 4, we'll get it as 6.
But
So the distance is.
but why not 1 and 2 and 3?
They asked average velocity, average speed up to 4 seconds.
Yeah, that means we need to find for 1, 2, and 3 also, right?
But we don't need instantaneous speed.
No, total distance by total time. That is our formula. So now why we are not using, let's see. If I substitute x equals to 2t minus 2, if I substitute t equals to 0, so x will be -2. That's what you said, correct. If I substitute t equals to 1, x equals to 2 minus 2, which is 0. That's it, stop. Right, until we get 0, we can substitute. Then t equals to 4. Then x equals to 4 to the 8 minus 2, which is 6.
6.
So total distance by total time. So total distance is 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4 divided by time is how much? What's the total time?
4
Okay,
seconds.
Wait. Withdraw average speed 2 plus mode of 0 plus 6, that is 4, 8.
8 by 4.
8 by total is up to 4 seconds, means 4,
2
which is 2 meter per second.
second.
Yeah. Want to try this equation? Depending on time such that v equals to 4 minus 2t. Find out distance traveled by particle from 1 to 3 seconds. Question we got. Let's start solving. Come on.
Yes, sir.
It's easy, nothing in this one. They are given an equation as v, and they are asking for finding displacement. That means distance in time 1 to 3.
Yes, sir. I'm trying, sir.
And remember, this equation is for distance. They're asking for distance. In velocity, we have displacement. This is what hint I'm giving you.
So we should do it by substitution, sir.
What will you substitute?
The time and finding the values.
Okay, if you substitute time t equals to 1, what is the time it for? 1, 2, 3, there is a time, it's a limit they gave, right?
I'm trying integration, sir.
Yes,
But we'll get displacement.
Yes. It will be velocity. If we do that, it will be in displacement. So first we need to move the velocity, move out. So what you will do? Take velocity as 0. Then at what time velocity will be 0? Find out.
At time 2.
Yes. If we
So
say
so the limit will be 2 to 3, which is the distance.
means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, both we have to do. Both limits we have to use.
Okay.
Because it's, see, distance travel from 1 to 3. So in between, who is there? 2. Not TO2, TWO2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because how we got 2? With this equation. At what v will be 0? That we need to find out. 0 equals to v minus 2t. Sorry, 4 minus 2t. So t equals to 2 at 2 seconds. So we
Yes,
got
sir.
limit also. Now let's take dx by dt, which is value is 4 minus 2t. Now dx equals to 4 minus 2t dt. Now we
dx, sir. You wrote dt.
oh, I'm so sorry.
So we should take two different ones and then add both, sir.
Exactly.
Okay.
Are you seriously able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So limits will be here. What will the limit for this one? It's moving from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. So 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3, 4 minus 2t dt dt.
So is the distance 2, sir?
Don't know. We need to calculate this. Check. Let's see. Yeah. By the way, what will be the limits for the right side?
Left side or right side, sir?
I mean to say left side.
Left side it is s to 0.
Dx only, right?
Yes.
So tell me the first term, 4t plus
4 minus
sorry, minus 2t square by 2 means t square
t square.
will be
Limit
1 to 2.
2.
Same way. Two to 3.
Yes, sir. 1
Now,
and minus 1.
yeah, always substitute first value. First term, so that it will be 4 brackets. 4 into 2 minus 2 square minus 4 minus 1. This is for first one. Plus 4 into 3 minus 9 minus 4 into 2 minus 4. Have you done substitution correct? Let's check. First term here minus second term. Okay. So first term minus second. Okay, done. So 4 2 is 8 minus 4. This will give you, let's write 4 itself here. 8 minus 4 is 4 minus 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 9, 3.
3.
Minus 4 2s are 8 minus 4, 4. Okay.
Sir, and I have another doubt.
Follow.
So for the limit, sir, can you scroll up a little?
Just a second. I forgot this minus sign. This will be minus 1 minus minus plus 1, which is 2 meters. Yeah,
Yes,
which one?
sir. Here, dx is equal to, yes, sir, that the place where you rubbed it. So can we take the limit individually for both, sir? So
Yes, we can do that.
for
We can do like this also. 4.
So 4 into 2
2
minus
minus
1
1.
minus 4 minus 1.
Yes, we can do that.
Yes, sir. I did that way, but you did it in a different way. So
Doesn't matter. You can do that way.
okay. Sir.
Why I'm doing
I
this
got
way?
confused.
It will be easy. I substitute in both place, right? Because this is small equation. But when there will be long equation, then you will do mistakes. So this
Yes.
is easiest way and without mistake. So what I'm doing, I'm substituting first to the whole equation. Then I'm subtracting with whole equation minus. Here I won't do single mistake here. Because anyhow it's small only. But if you practice this way, it will be easier.
Okay, sir.
Still we have so much time. Shall we do one or two more questions?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any class after this?
No, sir.
Do I have? Let me check. Yes, I have NEET class, JEE class. Yes, I have. But not yet. Still time. Still we have time.
Okay, sir.
Oh, what was the question number?
7.
7. Okay, in this one it's a little bit different, but same way. We have to do same thing, but small changes. Okay, wait. But do you know function how to solve? Okay, no problem. I'll teach you in this one also. In this one, it's a little bit different. So how to solve functions with integration, we'll see that. Anyhow, we are learning with the questions only, like we are learning mathematics with like this.
Yes, sir.
We saw substitution also. Actually, there is a bridge course for this one. A bridge course means between 11th and 10th, there are some mathematical things which you will learn later on 11th half or 11th in mathematics only. But when you reach half of the year, 11th standard, or maybe some topic in 12th standard, that you will learn. So there is a bridge course for like basic mathematics, which is required for 11th standard. That will come all calculus part. Calculus means integration, differentiation, vectors, all this.
Yes, got it.
So that's what we are doing it as a question itself. We are solving one question. With that only, we are learning few formulas.
Yes, sir.
Given by x square. So this is a function f of x. Find out the relation between x and t. Assume x equals to 1 at t equals to 0. Okay. This one let me solve. It is a little bit
Okay.
different. Okay, so what they're saying is velocity is given by following a function, that is v equals to x squared. Find out the relation between x and t. So for functions, I'll give you a small formula. V equals to f of x, which is equals to dx by dt is equals to function of x. That means dx by function of x integration equals to d. For finding relation between x and t. One thing clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have dx by dt equals to x square. So therefore, dx equals to x square equals to dt. dx by x square equals to dt. Now, if we integrate this with the 1, x equals to 1 and t equals to 0. So we are integrating this one with 0 to 1 and 0 to t. No, sorry, what's given here?
1 to x.
1 to something. Value x. 1 to x.
X.
And he limits 0 only, right? T equals to 0 only they give?
Yes, sir. T0.
Yeah, 0. That's it. Now we can do it. Now it's normal integration. Give me this answer. I want relation between x and t. So we should get x in terms of t. Okay. What will be here n? On left side, what will be n?
-2.
Exactly. Yes. Don't forget this minus sign. +1, -2, +1. 1 to x, which is equals to t, 0 to t. So whatever you're solving and whatever answer you're giving, you're doing yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
No Google uncle?
No, no, sir.
Okay. That means you're able to understand. If you're giving answer, it means you're able to understand.
So t is what? -1 by x.
No, I want x in terms of t.
1 second.
Change everything on other side. Any problem?
I got t is equal to x minus 1 by x.
T equals to x minus 1 by x.
1 by x.
Okay.
No, sir. The whole thing by x.
X minus 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
So what's wrong in this? That means it is 1 minus 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
So what you do, it is equals to t. We want x. So send this side. Okay. Change position. 1 by x equals to 1 minus t. So reciprocal, x equals to 1 by 1 minus t. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we got x in terms of t. That's what the question is.
They
Let's
just
find out
find
the
the relation between.
x and t. So we will get x in terms of t.
Okay.
In option, we have t in terms of x. Then, okay, stop it here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But generally, we'll have option as this one. X in terms of t. So what do you learn today?
How to use integration and differentiation.
Yeah, in different ways, right?
Yes, sir.
A normal function, but v as a function of x, then normally something different. Fine, something same, like all other differentiation are same integration.
Sir, can you go down a little? What do you mean by function of x, sir?
Yeah, this one.
Yes,
V
sir.
is the function of x. Yeah,
Where
this is
x is equal to x square.
x squared.
That's it, sir.
Yeah, there is a function. Here we have only a single term. Actually, it won't be single term. Here we are taking one basic questions. That's why.
Yes,
It
sir.
won't be single term.
Okay, sir.
So this is our function. X square is the function. See, function means it's like a x is having some term as t. We cannot directly differentiate. We cannot directly integrate. We have to do something for that. Something different.
Okay, sir.
That it's here. It is not required actually. Here it's simple question. But when we have function of something, and they ask differentiation of something else, if it is c, suppose example, they are given this dt. Okay, in this function, if suppose we have x, function of x, so in x we have y term. Okay, y plus z or z, y plus t. Now x is not alone, he is having with y and t.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we cannot directly start integration differentiation with this one. We need to do something. Either we need to change the value, change the variable, or something we have to do. Or first we need to differentiation or integrate this value. Then we can come up with the function. Because here x is not alone. He's a function now. Function of y and t here.
Okay.
That you will learn later. That will come in mathematics only. It won't be in physics.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So shall I stop sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And can you send any homework questions if you
Yeah,
find it?
sure. I can send it now itself. Let
Okay.
me type here. This question we did, right? x equals to 1. Okay. Guess so. You can try this one. I don't know. You can solve or not, but you can try. Give a try.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. If a equals to 2x, initially particle is at x equals to 2. X equals to 2 meters and moving with 3 meters per second. Find out v at x equals to 5 meters. Okay. Shall I add one more?
Yes, sir.
This coin is little bit different, but still you try.
Okay, sir.
What this question says. If A is depending on B in a following way. A equals to V. Next, and at t equals to 0, x equals to 1 meter, and v equals to 1 meter per second. Find out it's at t equals to 2. Then next part in this one, find out it's at x equals to 3 meter. Fine, you try this one. You wrote this?
Yes, sir. I wrote them.
Or you can take screenshot also.
I wrote them.
Try it. No Google uncle.
Yes, sir. I want.
No, yeah, obviously I know. I'm just reminding. Yeah, answer will be there in Google everywhere because somewhere someone will be posted. But we need to learn how to solve.